Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Temidayo. Now, on this channel, I share with you how to make money online. I give you tips, tricks, and everything you need to do to make money online, especially using tools like Fiverr. Now, this video is focused on sharing with you the truth about Fiverr. Now, I would like you to stick to the end of this video. If you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to be sharing with you, opening up on my experience on Fiverr after 1 year on Fiverr. Now, I have been on Fiverr for since 2016, but actually I didn't take it seriously until the year 2020, August precisely, when I decided to create my first, or let me say my second gig. Actually took it seriously to create a gig on Fiverr. Now, here is my experience, and this is the truth. When you're starting on Fiverr, honestly, you might not get your first order in the first month. I actually got my first order, I think, about after a month and 2 weeks, about 6 weeks before I got my first order. The first order earned me 36 USD. That was quite encouraging, but that is not always the case. I'm talking to you who is just starting up with Fiverr. You don't give up. If you don't get the first order within 24 hours, doesn't mean you won't get it in 48 hours. No, I would like you to stick with your goals, stick with your expectations. Now, it is important that you are online. I'm not saying you sit before your computer and you're always there waiting for orders. No, that's the beauty of the Fiverr mobile app. We are always with our mobile device. If you install the app in your phone, you can easily click on, ensure that the app is always open on your phone. That keeps you online in case there are buyers who are looking for sellers who are online at the time. Your gig could be selected by that particular buyer. So this is an important tip that for those of you that are starting up on Fiverr, these are tips that you should know. They are very, very vital tips because they help you stick to Fiverr and keep things that you need to do is you keep developing and improving on your gig. When you create your gig, ensure that your title it contains keyword. Also ensure that your description also contains the keyword of your gig. Now, when we talk about keywords, I'm not talking about you stuffing your description, your title with the keyword of your gig. For example, your gig is built around logo design. Let your title not be I will design logo for you within 24 hours, which is also good. And in your description, I have 10 years experience in logo design. Logo design is what I do all the time. Logo design, as in they are so stocked with what your gig is about. Fiverr is going to penalize you for that. Of course, you're not going to rank on Fiverr. So I'm telling you, aspiring Fiverr sellers or young Fiverr sellers, please, in your first year, you're going to go through challenges. But that's why you also have the session for buyer requests. There you can go and bid for jobs from buyers who have posted their jobs and they need some persons to help them handle it. You're starting on Fiverr. There's nothing wrong for you starting up with maybe setting up your gig with 10, 20, even $1,000 gig, but it's good to start small. Just watch yourself begin to grow. Now, I've been on Fiverr actively for over 1 year, and my profit margin has been consistent. Every month I get sales every month, and that too can be your story. All you need to do is to stick with it, stay committed to what you're doing, and you're going to reap a harvest at the end of the day. Now, it is important, like I mentioned, you have to stay online. It is important that you have to install the app in your phone so that you are always online at all times. You don't have to be before your computer. If you don't get on with whatever it is that you're doing before you got on Fiverr. Don't get lost or stuck. Because you don't have sales, you just feel, man, this is not for me. If you have the skill, why not you? Why not you? Who said you can't make a lot of money on Fiverr? You can. I know you can. So I'd like you to keep your feet up, keep improving on your gig, and the sky is your limit. There are a lot of person making huge sum of money on Fiverr, and you can be one of them. So this is just an encouraging video to let you know that there's a lot in store for you. All you have to do is to keep your feet up, keep your heart up, and keep improving in your skills. That is also very important. And guess what? The sky is just your starting point. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and you get to see more of my videos. Love you. Peace out. See you next time. Bye.